Welcome to Bahay ko or Bahay mo rin. Just want to share with you guys what I've been doing. It's one of the projects that I had during COVID-19 lockdown, or during this moment where I'm staying home. I'm so ticked off whenever I see a bill from my utility bill. For ours, it's Glendale Water and Power. Out solar. So I bought this 100 watt 12 volt solar panel, and I put them on top of my old fridge. This is for throwaway, so excuse the mess, it's kind of dirty, but it's still working. So what I learned is I got solar panel, I got a controller. It's not the MPPT, which is, they said is cool. So I'm testing this first, the cheapest approach, and I got the voltmeter, and it seems like they're telling me the right volts. Here it says 12.2, here it says 12.7. So there's a discrepancy, but I don't care. The expectation is it will draw in 12 volts or more. So as you can see, there's this solar panel icon there on the screen, and the battery is charging, and that's when you wanna have lights. I got that connected as well. So this is my fridge cable, power cable, and the reason why I had this on is for me to check how many voltage is it drawing and how many wattage. That's amperage. It's this fridge is operating in 1.6 amps, and the wattage is 102.5 amps. Well, this inverter is 750 watts, so it's okay. Do not buy inverters that is less than the consumption of your appliance. So I'm just checking to see how many hours will this battery charge while the fridge is using it during this sunny day in California. And from my inverter, I draw the juice off my battery to power my fridge. And look at the battery fluctuating right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is charging at the same time being used by the fridge. I'm gonna test and find out how many hours I can power this fridge today. So just started, and if you look here, the freezer is going, it's cold, and the fridge is on. It's empty right now because it's an old one. Before we throw it away, I want to use it for testing. Anyway, I'm so happy right now because I got my first solar off-grid setup powering my refrigerator. Also bought 2 lithium-ion 12 volts 6 amp hours battery, so 2 of them, and I connected them in parallel. This setup right here, I'll do it on most of my appliances, so I can run it at night with the battery, and the daytime it's drawing from the sun. Pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited. We should all go off grid. Bye.